What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Hope y'all still blessed. Hope y'all still praying. Hope y'all doing good, man. I didn't want this to be a at night video, but been busy, been making other videos with the car, and I just ain't had the time. So right now I'm gonna show y'all what it's like to DoorDash with a Tesla Model X specifically. So right now we just gotta you just gotta get into this spot right here. Hopefully this person ain't gonna open their door. Right now, y'all, we got a $12 order, so that one's real decent. So I'm gonna go ahead, put that baby into park, get my key. I'm gonna go ahead and get this person's order. I'll see y'all in a sec. All right, y'all, so we done picked up the order. It took a minute. We on CC 66% charge. Hold on. Zoom past them. Right, and getting free supercharged, bro. We ain't have to worry about paying no gas, and all that money goes to moi. I could mess around and just let it take me all the way there itself by using the self-driving autopilot. Let's see. It's so dark. Sorry, y'all, but we're gonna get to it. Hold on, let me put it in the self-driving autopilot so it can take me there. All right, y'all, we got it on self-driving mode. It's gonna take us all the way there, bruh. If y'all want to DoorDash, Uber Eats, any of that, and you want it to be super easy, let's say if you get free supercharging, or you ain't even gonna be spending that much with charging if you pay for it. But man, this is the easiest way to DoorDash. My God, look at it. Get it on rainbow mode. That's it. Like I said, I didn't want to do nighttime, but we was busy today. I was making a bunch of videos while I still had this car. Man, this is like a 10 out of 10 for me, basically, bro. Imagine the plaid version. It's gonna go crazy. Like, this joint is so fire, bro. Just listen to my music, just.
Trust that if I get my bro safe, we gon' celebrate with a confetti. People hating, I don't know why, but they can stay cold.
And then the system is fire. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10 as a DoorDashing vehicle for sure. Look at this, man. Got all that we need right here. Look. And watch this, y'all. It's probably gonna switch lanes. Oh nope, they turn. This is sick, bro. So we just chilling, relaxing. And bro, I could put it in different modes. Right now it's in hurry mode. So we just chilling, for real, for real. Just let this thing do its thing. I ain't gonna lie, I love my charger, but having this on the side is gonna switch lanes. You gonna switch lanes? Oh, I guess we chilling though. But yeah, I love my charger, man. But this is good comfortability. You could be rowdy with being silent. That's the crazy part. Rowdy and silent. Look, y'all. I wonder if it's gonna switch lanes. Look, it even knows bros right there. They brake for me and everything. Look. Like, I did like an hour and something drive. Most of it autopilot, which is wild. Tesla, I ain't gonna lie. Tesla really grew on me. And me and my wife are liking this car right now. We honestly want to get one because this thing is crazy. I know people hate these cars because of Elon and all that, but man, that's like hating McDonald's because some of the CEO said, man, I'm still gonna eat McDonald's. What you talking about? Yeah, you know what I'm saying, man? It's gonna be, I'm the fastest Uber Eats delivery driver. Watch this. I'm You know what I'm saying? We gonna get the fans, you know what I'm saying? You know? We're gonna take them real quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm your fastest Uber Eats driver. I'm on my way to you. I can never get tired of punching this thing, man. It's sick. I'm gonna slow it down. I'm gonna show y'all how fast this thing get up for real. Watch and learn. Watch and learn. Golly, son. I deserve a tip for how fast I'm getting to y'all. Dude, the front end lifts up so hard, bro. Just sheesh. Front end lifts up too hard, my guy. We're gonna put it back in Autopilot. We're gonna let it take me back. Well, not back. It's gonna let me take it to person's place. This is sick. Watch this, y'all. Go ahead. I'm turning, chair. The Autopilot's turning, actually. Look at this. This is sick. It's gonna pull me up right in front of their place, too. Hopefully. Oh, they in an apartment, so I'm gonna have to take over in a second. But it's pulling me. It's taking me all the way. The fact that it knows, like, look at that, y'all. It sees all the cars and everything. This thing is sick, bro. I don't want to turn it in. I want to keep it. Oh, he's right here. All right, y'all. I did not know that guy standing outside was going to be the person taking the order. I hope he didn't see me recording. I'm like, what is the man doing? But, yeah, man. You know, I like them orders where I don't have to be face-to-face with somebody. I don't know why. I just want to set it down at your door, be by my way. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, let me tell that man to give me a good tip, because I got it in there. I got his food there in a timely manner. You know what I'm saying? In a timely manner. I got sneeze, man. Thank you. All right now, so now we got another order, and we gonna get there in a timely manner. Watch this. Not time BOV. This thing go crazy, boy. This thing go crazy. You can see this. Look at it. Watch. And then if I get too close to the curb, I said okay, it ain't gonna say nothing when I get too close to the curb, but I tried. It'd be so weird. It'd be a little finicky sometimes, but it's still pretty cool. I guess I'm not close enough. But hey, man, it's a demo car. I ain't trying to hurt it. Because I love you, Tesla. Watch this, y'all. You gonna make Tesla. Make noise. Gonna make it noise. That's crazy. Making fart noises while delivering people's food. I can even honk the horn and it can make the fart noise. I don't think I got it set up right now, but that is crazy, y'all. We ain't got no tent, so except for the back. So yeah, probably look at me like, what is this man doing? My Amy, I'm just trying to deliver food, man. Deliver food electrically. You know what I'm saying, man? Let me. All right, y'all, let me stop. I don't even know what I'm saying. Why is that glare is crazy. But yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all in a second. We off to our next order. All right, y'all, we just got the order for Sushi Pirate. We're leaving them now. We're gonna have them take us there. It's gonna be an 11-minute drive. And at the ease of Tesla's capabilities, we're able to get there without even touching anything. Dude, Tesla's on fire, bro. I don't even want to give this car up, bro. Me and my wife really want one now, man. I mean, look at this. Look, there's a brother. Hey, Tesla. Look at this. Yeah, that Tesla knows what's up. He knows we self-driving. I know a lot of Teslas. Some Teslas aren't self-driving, but this thing's crazy, bro. We need a Model X. We can get one for like 40 bands. I want to get one. I want to get one. Should I get one, y'all? Man, this thing is crazy. Yeah. Get out of the way, fool. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all. This is wild. I love this thing, man. The ease of Teflon. All right, y'all, we just completed another order, man. I say this car is definitely worth it, dude. I took the Autopilot all the way straight to that person's driveway. Bro, just so easy. And you ain't gotta worry about gas, man, especially if you you don't have to pay for the supercharging. Oh, yeah, man, it's well worth it. You ain't gotta worry about it. No team, man. And then you can easily. That's crazy, man. I don't want to let this thing go, man. I keep saying it, but for DoorDashing, man, this is well worth the money. The easiest car I've ever used DoorDashing, man. And then you get free supercharging. You don't have to pay for gas. All that money goes to you except for like wear and tear of the vehicle. So I say it's well worth it. It's good, buddy. It's very good, buddy. 10 out of 10.